How to apply for the School Readiness Waitlist. Click on the Family Portal button. If you already have a Family Portal account, click the Sign in Here button. If you do not have an account, go to the Sign Up button in the right-hand corner of the screen. You can download written instructions for setting up the SSO account by clicking the link in the pop-up screen. It's extremely important that you use an email that you will always have access to. Please don't use a school or workplace email. Keep the email and password in a safe place. Avoid creating multiple accounts. Once you've created the account, log in. You are applying for school readiness, click Continue. Create a new school readiness application. Complete these questions to determine if you are eligible to apply for the school readiness waitlist. This family is eligible, so they will continue the application. If you are not eligible and want to discuss further, call 904-208-2044 and a representative can assist you. Please read the introduction and instructions. Click Continue. You must complete all 7 steps of the application process. Click Next Step. If you are working, you will need to provide information about your employer and a pay stub. If you are attending school or training, you will need to complete information about your school or training program and upload your current schedule. If you are working 2 or more jobs, you must add employment information for all of your jobs. You must include information for all adults living in the household. If it's just you, click No More Parents Living in the Household. Be sure to indicate the days of the week that you will need childcare. Be sure to add information for each child in your care. You must include information for all adults living in the household. If it's just you, click No More Parents Living in the Household. Please provide information about unearned income sources such as Social Security, rental income, or pensions, for example. Click Next Step. Under the Attach Document tab, you will need to upload proof of employment. Click Continue. Review your application carefully. If everything is correct, click Next Step. Please read, certify, and submit. Your application for the School Readiness Waitlist has been submitted. Please regularly check your email and phone for messages from the ELC of Deval for updates.